How to remove the wheels on a Troy Bilt Tiller. Troy Bilt Tillers are workhorses for tilling up your yard for gardens or lawn maintenance. Because the tiller has only two ties, if one is bent or has other damage, the tiller pulls to one side during operation. Bent rims, hubs or flat tires require removing the wheel from the Troy Bilt Tiller. The wheels secure to the tiller axle with a pin rather than retaining rings or lug nuts. When removing the wheels, it is important not to lose the roll pin because it is essential when reinstalling the wheel. Things you will need: 3 jack stands, 5/16" drift pin or a 16-penny nail, hammer. Place the Troy Bilt Tiller on a flat surface in the yard. This prevents damaging the tines as you are removing the wheels on each side of the tiller. Lift the side of the tiller, and place a jack stand under the axle hub on the side of the transmission. The axle hub is the large sleeve that the axle fits into on the side of the transmission. Gently lower the tiller over the jack stand. Repeat for the opposite side. Place a third jack stand under the solid portion of the engine frame in the front of the tiller. Move the wheel speed lever to the slow or fast position to lock the axle. The wheel speed lever is the lever handle below the drive handles. Locate the roll pin securing the wheel hub to the axle. Place the tip of a 5/16" drift pin or a 16-penny nail over the top of the roll pin. Tap the end of the drift pin or nail with a hammer to drive the roll pin out of the wheel hub and axle. Pull the wheel off of the tiller axle. Repeat for the opposite wheel. Tips: warnings. If jack stands are not available, use blocks of 6" by 6" wood. To install the wheels after repairs, reverse the process of removal.